Well, hello, you beautiful soul. Let's dive into Final Cut to make editing a little bit more hassle-free for you. Let's say you're creating a project and you want to use the same transition again in the video. Instead of having to go into your transitions browser, find that transition and make adjustments to the transition exactly the way you did before, you can just hold Option and drag that original transition to wherever you'd like. All the adjustments you made to it will be copied over as well. And if you didn't already know, you can do this same thing with clips or just about anything on your timeline. Hold Option and drag, and it makes an immediate and identical copy of whatever you selected. Tip number 2, let's say you're customizing things in a plugin of yours. And by the way, you can double click this inspector window to make it way bigger so you can see what you're doing. Let's say you want this subtitle color to be the same as this title color. Instead of just guessing about what color the element is, or even taking the time to use the picker to select the exact color of the element, make your life easier by just dragging this title color palette to the subtitle color palette. A simple drag is all it takes. No buttons need to be pressed here. Tip number 3, let's say you want to copy over some effects to another clip. Press Command-C on the clip that has those effects or adjustments, and press Command-Shift-V on the clip that you want to have those adjustments. This Paste Attributes menu will pop up, which allows you to choose whatever effects or adjustments that you'd like to transfer over. This works for audio effects, resizing of your clips, color grading, and more. And you can paste attributes from a single clip onto multiple clips as well. A specific example where this is helpful is when you have a piece of music that you'd like to switch out with another song. Let's say you spend a lot of time using the range tool to lower sections of your music to help your dialogue stand out a bit more. Instead of deleting and doing that process all over again, which is a real pain, just place your new music on the timeline, starting where your old music started, press Command-C on your old music, and press Command-Shift-V on your new music. The key here is to make sure you change this from stretch to fit to maintain. That way, the keyframes won't stretch to fit the new duration of the audio, and they'll line up exactly with the keyframes on the old music. If you're like me and you tend to make mistakes while talking to the camera, check out this video that goes over a free transition that you can use to help you fix those mistakes. Have a great day, guys, and thank you so much for your support.